Hello and welcome to the third and final lesson on our Shona alphabet, and this time we are dealing with the second part of consonants. We have already covered consonants from B to M, and also we have already done the vowels. So today we are beginning from N going up to Z. So here are the 9 letters that we are going to cover in this lesson. Beginning with N. N has 10 consonants that can be constructed from it, and these are N itself, N apostrophe, NG, NH, NJ, NY, NY with an apostrophe, NZ, NZV, and NZW. I'll pronounce each in turn, starting with N, which is na, ne, ni, no, nu. N apostrophe is pronounced nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. NG is nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. NH is na, ne, ni, no, nu. NJ is nja, nje, nji, njo, nju. NY is nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu. NY with an apostrophe is nga, nge, nyi, nyo, nyu. NZ is nza, nze, nzi, nzo, nzu. NZV is nja, nzwe, nzwi, nzo, nzu. NZW is nzwa, nzwe, nzwi, nzo, nzu. And the examples there for each consonant, we have for N the word nongo, which means laziness, followed by nganga, which is a traditional healer. NG we have ngirozi, which is an angel. NH we have the word nombo, which means pregnancy. NJ we have njanji, which is a railway. NY we have the word nyoka, which is a snake. NY with an apostrophe we have ngambo, which is a joke or jokes. NZ we have nzo, which is an elephant. NZV we have njimbo, which means a place or a position. And then NZW we have nzwisisa, which means to understand. P only has P, so we have pa, pe, people, poo. And our examples there we have pedza, which means to finish, and pima, which means to measure. R we've got ra, re, ri, ro, ru, and the words there, rara means sleep, and ruma means to bite. S is S, SH, SHW, SV, and SW. S is pronounced sa, se, si, so, su. SH is sha, she, shi, sho, shu. SHW is shwa, shwe, shwi, shwo, shu. SVA sha, she, shi, so, su. SWA is swa, swe, swi, so, su. The examples there we have S, saka, which is a tooth cap. Shona, which is the language that we are learning now. And for SHW, I don't have the word, any word that starts with shwa, but I've got this one is the word is ishkwa, which is an insect. SV we have shoshe, which is an ant and an insect as well. And then swedera for SW. Swedera means come close. T is tate, ti, to, tu. So we have tamba here. Tamba means play or dance. And tarisa, which means look. V has V and VH. V is pronounced va, ve, vi, vo, vu. VH is va, ve, vi, vo, vu. And the words we have there, we have vana for kids, and vima, which means to hunt. W only has W, so we have wa, we, wo, wu. And our words there, wira means to fall in, and woma means to dry up. Y has ya, ye, yi, yo, you. And the words there are yeuka, which means remember or to remember, and yamwa, which means to suck. Z is Z, ZV, ZH, and ZHW. ZA is zaze, zizo, zu. ZV is zha, zhe, zhi, zho, zu. ZH, zha, zhe, zhi, zho, zu. ZHW, joie, jouet, joui, joie, jou. And our words there, we have zana, which means 100 or 100. Zhinu for ZV, which means zhinu means things. We have jamba for ZH, which means a loud cry or to wail. And joanya, which is to crush. We have come to the end of the lesson. I hope you have benefited from it. Tashka kumagumo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like the content of this channel. Until the next video, goodbye.